In the Tang and Song era, a variety of wheat-based pastries began to appear in large numbers. Well, the most extreme is the court dessert. Guifei Cake. It was originated from the court of the Tang Dynasty. It was said that these red dots, they came from the fancy on the imperial consort's forehead. White and round as the moon. And the aesthetic of fat as beauty in the Tang Dynasty come together. The local named it Imperial Consort Cake. Yang's grandfather left the court in Qing Dynasty, established in Tianjin with his own craftsmanship.
My father is endlessly pondering how to adhere to the ancient way, trying to restore more court snacks. Well, in the tradition, what did this Sachima of the court emphasize? The taste must be solid.
Mix the noodles completely with eggs. The whole process of making Sachima, not a drop of water.
Cut into small strips. After frying, wrap the dish with honey syrup to enhance the flavor. Make it mixed with each other. Sprinkle with wolfberry, sesame, and raisins.
According to historical document, Sachima also has another alias, sugar zen. What about this sugar? It's actually the outer layer of syrup. The syrup made from honey is particularly sweet.
Court snacks across from the palace. It is loved by the masses, being their favorite food. It is also a gift for human interaction.